In this video, you'll learn how to sign up on ElevenLabs. By following these steps, you will create your account and be ready to explore the platform's features. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type elevenlabs.io and press the enter key. This action will take you directly to the ElevenLabs homepage where you can start the sign up process. Once the homepage loads, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You will see a button labeled sign up. Click on this button to proceed to the registration page. On the registration page, you will be prompted to enter your details. Start by providing a valid email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that meets any specified security requirements. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker method, you can choose to sign up using your Google or Apple account by clicking on the respective buttons. After entering your information, it is essential to confirm your email address. Open your email inbox and look for a confirmation email from ElevenLabs. Once you locate the email, click on the verification link provided within it. This action will activate your account and allow you to log in. Now that your account is activated, return to the ElevenLabs website. Click on the login button, which is also located in the top right corner. Enter the email and password you previously set up to access your new account. Once logged in, you have the option to set up your profile. You can choose a display name that will be visible to others. Additionally, take some time to explore the text-to-speech and voice cloning features available on the platform. These tools will help you in creating AI voices and generating speech. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.